In this video, I'll show you how to increase speaker volume on laptop and PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if you want to increase the speaker volume of your laptop, right? What you're gonna do right now, just watch what I'm gonna do right now. This is basically gonna be a step-by-step basic tutorial. So you're gonna click on this volume, right? This volume bar. Once you have clicked on it, you can see that the volume of this PC, right, is currently at 95%. That is how I'm possibly recording this video I'm recording right now, right? So you can still reduce it, you can increase it, right, depending on how you want it to be. So this is basically how you can increase the speaker volume on a laptop or PC. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one. Peace.